Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Mac Mini. So let's get started. Let me just take it out. It has 16 gigabytes of unified memory. It comes with 256 gigabytes of storage. Here's the nice box that it comes in. Here's the Mac Mini itself. Let's see what else it came with. In here you have your power cord. This is the cord that goes onto the wall. This section goes on here and to the power cord like that. Here's our Mac Mini, and then here's the guide. Power button is on the bottom, two USB-C ports at the front, status indicator light, and then you have your headphone port. And then if we go to the other side of the Mac, you have the power port and then the Ethernet, HDMI, and 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. Before using Mac Mini, review the Mac Mini Getting Started guide at support.apple.com. So you should review the guide before setting it up. Again, here is the Mac Mini. It is 5 inches by 5 inches. It's very tiny. On this side you have two USB-C ports, the light indicator, a headphone outlet, and then on this other side you have your power outlet, you have your Ethernet port, HDMI port for external monitor connection, and then you have 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports so you can connect to other external accessories. Power button is on the bottom. There's the power button. This was the unboxing of Mac Mini, the base module that was $599. In future videos, I'm going to go into details of the functionality as we set it up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.